Your Ram just hit 100,000 miles. You need to hear this. You just entered an elite club. Only 30% of Ram owners ever make it here. 100,000 miles is the test. Most trucks don't make it this far with the original owner. They get traded at 60,000, sold at 80,000. But you kept yours, you maintained it, you drove it well. The data shows if a Ram makes it to 100,000 miles in good condition, it'll easily hit 300,000. You passed the hard part. You're in the elite 30%. Why 100,000 miles matters. This is where weak trucks fail. Bad maintenance catches up. Neglected parts break. 70% of Rams either get sold before 100,000 or develop major problems right around this mileage. But not yours. If you hit 100,000 with smooth running, no major repairs, good maintenance history, you have a survivor, a proven truck. What changes after 100,000 miles? The hard part is over. 0 to 100,000, engine break-in, transmission settling, components proving themselves. This is the test period. 100,000 to 300,000, smooth sailing, proven components, predictable maintenance, easy miles. Every major component already lasted 100,000 miles. Engine strong, transmission smooth, differential solid. These same parts will easily do another 200,000 with the same maintenance. The 300,000 mile path. You're on it right now. Here's how to stay on it. Thing one, keep doing exactly what you've been doing. Whatever maintenance schedule got you to 100,000, don't change it. It's working. Synthetic oil every 5,000, keep it. Transmission fluid every 60,000, continue. Don't get lazy now. Thing two, 3 services to do at 100,000. Spark plugs, coolant flush, differential fluid. These 3 services reset your truck for the next 100,000 miles. Cost total, $600. Dealer or DIY. Thing 3, document everything from here. You have a high mileage survivor. Maintenance records increase resale value. Keep every receipt, track every service. When you sell at 200,000 miles, buyers pay premium for documented high mileage trucks. What you've proven. To yourself, you can maintain a truck properly. To others, this Ram can last. To the data, you're in the reliable 30%. Most Ram owners never see 100,000 miles. They trade too early, or they neglect maintenance and sell when problems start. You did neither. You kept it. You maintained it. You made it to the club. The path forward is clear. Same maintenance schedule. 3 services at 100,000. Document everything. Result, 200,000 miles comes easy. 300,000 is realistic. You already did the hard part. Now celebrate. Drop your mileage in the comments. Let's see who else is in the 100,000 mile club. Highest mileage wins bragging rights.